What is going on, guys? Welcome to Greggles TV Daily. Let's get into the tech news. As you can see, I'm not in my normal office. I'm actually in Connecticut. I'll talk more about it in a video in a couple days, what's going on, but I'm just here basically for the New York event for the Samsung release of the Note 10. Anyways, let's jump into the news. First story of the day comes from Ishwan Argarwal, and it's a tweet saying Samsung Galaxy Note 10 Plus 5G official poster. Now, we have seen this before, and he mentions that pretty much the same as the poster that leaked earlier. Has a rumored IR blaster on top, and again, it's the same thing we've seen maybe a week or two ago at this point, but it just doesn't have the watermarking on there. But yeah, kind of cool to see that Galaxy 5G Note 10 Plus. I know this is a phone, at least this version is a phone a lot of people want to get at this point, especially because it has 5G and it's the bigger Note 10. And the last story of the day is some official Note 10 accessories, and when we check out some of these photos, you're going to see some kind of cool looking things here. First of all is the 45-watt charger, this time in white, or at least it looks like it to be the 45-watt charger. You also see the clear LED case that's going to be shown off that gives you the ability to see the time and to click on, looks like, some of the apps or get some of the notifications there. And other than that, nothing too exciting, but again, just I guess it's exciting because it's Note 10. Anyways, guys, it's a very short news day, not a lot of stuff going on. It's Saturday. We're inching closer and closer to the Note 10 Plus release, or at least the announcement of it, which will be on August 7th in New York City. I will be at that. That's why I'm out here. Thanks for watching, guys. Don't forget to subscribe. New videos every single day. My question out to you guys is, which accessories are you looking to pick up for the Note 10 release? Let me know in the comments down below. For me, right off the bat, I mean, out of things I don't already have, definitely the case at the very least. Or a case, I should say. Thanks for watching. See you down the road. Peace!